Frank! What the hell is this, Frank?
What,
Frank!
They were over there, and then I stacked.
How can Raphael make love?
I thought you died.
Do not die! The dying is a part for the babies.
Dude, obviously they do carols. Oh, what?
Excuse me?
I'm sorry.
They did not do carols?
Carols?
Christmas carols?
I don't.
Your American tradition of walking around and singing
Yeah.
to people in your horrible nasal voices?
No, it's writing music by sound. Writing it down just by sound alone. Nothing. Are you not familiar, or Raphael? Because I can't do it either, and that makes you and me about the same.
I'm sorry, Frank. We seem to be involved in some kind of misunderstanding. Your job is to move these.
My job is to fly. You know? To find that weight and get it off.
Here's the weight.
Yeah. I got it off. Feeling pretty good. You know? Maybe you look kind of heavy. Maybe you should. You know? This is all, just let it, you know? Off. So I'm just. You're really good, man.
You think?
You're really good. Really, really good.
Raphael was a little off, wasn't he?
Something might happen to his costume.
Frank!
Hey, you know, when you're flying free, you don't care who you run into in class.
No, that's good!
I'm sorry,
that's good!
That's usually a metaphor.
No, it wasn't.
Really?
No, it was a pure and true metaphor. That was a metaphor that soared to the clouds.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
Can we get a hand for that?
No, I got it. Okay, sure. Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay. This one's so bad. You breathing again?
No! I'm just disappointed. I'm disappointed with myself.
Why?
Did you see me tonight? That wasn't a death.
You were so dead. You were like, oh my God, you actually died. But then you weren't. That was amazing. What?
They're firing me, Frank.
What?
No, for the parts.
What? No, you were soaring and you were dying. It was amazing. What do you mean not right? What could possibly you not be right?
Apparently my voice is not good enough. I don't have any operatic ability. My schooling is fake. They called the school. I never went there.
It's just like a metaphor, like you didn't physically, like you ascended
No, I didn't
above.
go
Oh, you
there.
just didn't literally go.
It doesn't matter. I'm not cut out to be a singer. This place is just made for real voices, real
No, I mean it's.
personalities.
You like show me what's real and then what's not. What do you? You just need to show them, you know? You just need to show them what, not what they need, but what is, like what it's supposed to be. And you know, that could soar above false resumes. know
You know, yeah, maybe you're right.
I mean, you just, you know, you're not leaving today, right? I mean, you still have Sunday's performance, right?
I guess if I can talk the director into letting me do one more matinee,
One more.
maybe.
And you have,
Do you think I should?
I could help.
No, I have to do this on my own.
Entree!
Jacques.
Yes.
Jacques.
Oh, it's you.
Listen.
I don't care for this conversation already.
Listen, I know that I lied and that
Utterly and completely?
yeah, and I didn't go to Peabody, and that
No.
was my bad. That was
I don't forgot your slang and I don't care. You see, we have professionals here that are trained and they can excel in all
right. No,
aspects.
yes, absolutely.
Right.
But yeah, the thing is that there's something I can bring, you know, and
You're making me nervous. Stop this.
no, this is it. This is it. It's like
I don't like this.
okay.
Don't.
Yeah, okay, it's gone. What I have to bring is a full, like, embodied love of music that comes out through the body. You know, all these places in the body. It seizes and sings and surges through. You know, Jacques. And if you give me one more chance, I guarantee you that you will sell out this theater for the rest of the season. Guaranteed.
Listen, you make me nervous. And I don't care for you or your character, but our lead singer, he has a hoarse throat, and he will not be singing on Sunday, so I have no choice but to give you one more chance, but after that you are out.
No, okay, right, okay, good, yes, good,
Please?
right,
No.
yeah, no, okay,
Yes.
great.
Great. No.
Oh my gosh, this is
No,
lost you.
please. No, don't touch that. There you go.
You are not going to regret this, Jacques. It's gonna be the biggest sound ever to emerge from this stage. Okay,
Yes.
thank you,
All right.
thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Frank! You were right! Oh, hungry! Oh my gosh!
What's happening? What? Gee,
Did you get another night?
yeah,
Did you get another
I told you he was going to give you another night.
Oh my god.
He believed in you, right? You totally just like you saw it and you felt it.
Yeah, he looked in my eyes.
Right.
And he said, Leroy,
Uh-huh.
you have something. You have something, Leroy, that this theater needs. You are going to take us to the next level. He said that.
I believe you. I totally believe you. It's great. You know what? I was thinking, I've been practicing, and I was wondering maybe I could help by singing with you. I know I mentioned that before, but I thought I'd bring it up again,
Frank.
just in case you change
Do you know what you're offering?
Sing.
It's the greatest gift another human being can give to another human being.
Really? It's not worth any money at all, actually.
It's pure. The money's good.
I got it.
Hey! How did you do that?
Oh! I don't know, I just did it.
That was amazing. Have you been doing breathing exercises?
Yeah, it's from diaphragm.
Okay. I'm gonna do the death of Caravaggio. And you be Melinda,
Right.
the lover who is seeing me on my funeral pyre.
Of course.